you're experiencing connection errors in The Sims 4, particularly error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes connection errors occur due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the EA app or Origin, go to your game library, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix known bugs. Step 4. Clear cache files. Navigate to the Documents folder on your computer, find the Electronic Arts folder, and locate The Sims 4. Delete the cache folder to remove any corrupted files that might be causing connection issues. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking The Sims 4. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the connection errors in The Sims 4. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.